How to fix same profile picture on multiple Instagram account. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. You can fix this problem with a simple click and unsyncing your multiple Instagram account. Let me guide you through with the step-by-step process. First and foremost, launch your Instagram application in your mobile device. Tap on your profile icon, which is at the bottom right-hand corner. When you are in your profile, at the top click on your three horizontal lines. This will redirect you with a list of options. Tap on Account Center. Under Connected Experience, select Sharing Across Profiles. Now in here, check for every account that is connected with the Instagram account. It could be multiple Instagram account or your Facebook account as well. Tap on the account that you wish to unsync. Now in here, firstly make sure that all of the Share To buttons are toggled off. After you have rest assured of it, you can head back from here. In the next process, click on Profiles. Over here, select on the profile you wish to unsync. Tap on the profile. Then make sure that the button over here is toggled to the left side, which is Disable It. By this way, you'll be fixing same profile picture on multiple Instagram accounts as you will be unsyncing the profile info. That brings us to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.